have 3 classroom buildings, 1 administration building, and this gymnasium. We are starting to go vertical starting this week. So in the next couple of weeks, we'll be able to see more shape taking place. This is the gym, building number 500. We are right off, coming off vertical. So first lift, which is the first 4 feet of the gymnasium. So the gymnasium is the tallest part of all the school buildings. This is gonna take 4.5 weeks when we reach to the very top. So the next step is once we finish this gymnasium, the gym box, we're gonna move to the classrooms. We'll start doing the same process, which is going vertical with the block, while we go vertical on a different building. And here we'll continue working around the kitchen and the platform station.